Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload photos to Midjourney. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So without further ado, let's proceed with today's video. First, you need to go to the Midjourney bot at your Discord server like you see here. Then you need to click the plus button on the bottom of your screen. Click on the upload file and find the file or the photo on your device. Like for me, I would like to use this cute dog picture here. Open up, then press enter to send it to the chat. Then you would want to click on the image, then click open in the new tab. Now copy the image URL that you can see above. Then you can go back to the chat, type /imagine, then place the URL that will be inside the prompt. You can send that by itself or you can include scenario like swimming, and then here you can see that it will generate the image as you wished. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.